Hey buds, it's Wednesday, and wait, hold on one second. My neck is really stiff. Let me just like, okay. I mean, it almost sounds like a sound effect. Sorry, Buzz. I hope I didn't worry you too much. My neck is perfectly fine. Look, water bottle. See? But... For my video today, I'm going to teach you guys how to do 4 different sound effects using everyday items that you might have around your house. Starting with the water bottle. It is very handy, especially if you need to make a sound of cracking joints, like... I mean, it just doesn't sound good, right? I should really get this checked out. If you want to have cracking, like, fingers or knuckles or something, set the water bottle under your foot and then... Ready? It just doesn't sound good. But it's just a water bottle, so you're totally safe. Guys, look, it's a fighter jet. So I bet you're wondering about the fighter jet one. No, I did not take that sound effect off the internet. It's actually a pool noodle. You just gotta blow like right here on the edge and into the hole. So you get that like passing over sound. It's actually pretty easy. Man, guys, that wind is horrendous. I mean, listen. So to do a wind sound effect, glass bottle. It works out pretty well. I mean, it might sound a little glassy, but it still sounds like wind to me. Gosh, guys, just listen to those waves. That sound effect is actually just a glass jar with a plastic lid and seed beads inside. Useful, right? So since I only have 4 sound effects that I could think of to make with everyday items, I'm actually going to show you something else cool, how to make fake bruises, because that's kind of fun, especially if you want to freak someone out. Okay, so to make fake bruises, you are going to need the following items. Paper towel, tissue, little water with its cap, that's where you're going to put it. And you will need Crayola markers. I recommend the washable kind, but I only have 2 of those today. You're going to need yellow, red, purple, and blue in fat markers. You're going to need blue, red, and black in the skinny markers. How you're going to start is... You get your paper towel, fold it, and then tear it in half. We're going to use that other half later. Fold it once more, and then squish that so you have a little pad. You're going to start with yellow. Always start with your lightest color. So you color on here. I'm sorry, my dog is fussing in the background. Then you're going to get your blue. Actually, use the little blue. And you're going to do around the outside of the yellow. All the way around. And then do a few splotches of blue in the middle and stuff in the yellow. Then you get your red. And you're going to do it in the middle, like that. So it looks kind of nifty right now, I think. Alright, then purple. Purple's your friend, but don't put too much. You're gonna kind of dab around the red. Not color around it, just kind of poke at it a little bit, and just a little bit in the middle. Black is your last color. It's kind of one of the more important colors, but you just dab inside the purple a little bit, and then inside the red just a little bit. Not too much though. So then you've got your little bottle cap of water here. Just dip your finger in and tap it on to the paper towel with all the colors. Make sure it's wet enough that it goes together a little bit, but not too wet where don't just dip it the whole thing in. So then you should have something that looks pretty close to this. So then all you do is just dab it on your skin. Make sure you get around where the blue is. And you can start to see it a little bit. I'm going to do it down here actually, it's a bigger area. Kind of in the middle you can squish it around. And you can see that it's starting to look like a bruise. If you're not quite happy with it, that other piece of paper towel that you saved, fold it the same way it was before. Get your yellow, color it on, get just a little black, little sections, not on the whole thing though, like we did before. Alright, get it wet. Remember, black will go into it, so be sparing with the black. Alright, and then you can dab it on, give it a little bit more yellowy color, which makes it, and the black makes it look more bluish kind of. And now, what you're going to do with your tissue is, you're going to get it wet, a little wet, not too wet, and then just kind of dab around the outsides and rub just a little bit. And there we go. You have fake bruises. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to do some sound effects with everyday items and how to make fake bruises. I actually have a lot of fun doing this. I should do it more because it does look pretty cool. But promise me one thing, if you're going to do the fake bruises, please don't scare your parents. Tell them it's fake. Because I don't want your parents getting upset with me, okay? Okay, good, we got a deal there. Sam, to answer your question on what my favorite snow on the ground winter activity is, it is definitely building a snowman, because me and my dad did that all the time when I was growing up, and so it's just definitely one of my favorite things. Here's a picture of a snow toothless I did a few years back when we got a ton of packing snow. I think it's pretty awesome. What do you think? Sam, since Betsy already asked you a question this week, I'm not going to bother you with another one, but I will ask you one next week, so tune in for that. Bye, buds!